RRR Telugu movie explained in English during the British Raj in 1920. Governor Scott Buxton and his wife Catherine visit a forest in Adilabad, where they abduct Malli, an artistically talented young girl from the Gond tribe. The tribe's guardian Komaram Bhim embarks for Delhi to rescue her, disguising himself as a Muslim named Attar. The Nizamate of Hyderabad warns Buxton's office of the impending danger and advises them to return the child. Undeterred, Catherine enlists Alluri Sitaram Raju, an ambitious Indian Imperial Police officer, to quell the threat, promising a promotion should he capture Bhim alive or a bounty otherwise. Ram and his uncle Venkateshwarulu attend a pro-independence gathering in disguise, where Bhim's aide Lachu attempts to recruit them into Bhim's plot. On the way to Bhim's hideout, Lachu discerns Ram's identity and flees. Shortly afterward, Ram and Bhim witness a child getting trapped by a train wreck and work together to rescue him. Unaware of their opposing allegiances, they form a close friendship leading up to a bromance. With Ram's help, Bhim courts an Englishwoman named Jenny, discovering that she is staying with the Buxton. Following a party where Ram and Bhim outdance the pompous English attendees, Jenny invites Bhim to her residence, where he finds Malli and promises to free her soon after. Meanwhile, Ram locates Lachu and apprehends him. While being interrogated, Lachu sets a bandit threat onto Ram and warns him of his imminent death, and that the antidote is only known to the Gonds. Bhim finds Ram, saves his life, and divulges his tribal identity and mission, unaware of Ram's true identity. That night, at an event to honor Governor Buxton, Bhim's men barge into his residence with a truck filled with wild animals, as they maul Scott's guards, creating havoc among the guests. Ram arrives and fights Bhim. Bhim is forced to stand down when Buxton holds Malli at gunpoint. Bhim is arrested, and Ram is promoted. A flashback reveals that Ram's father Alluri Venkatrama Raju was a revolutionary who hoped to arm his village with British rifles but was killed by British soldiers before he got the chance. Ram subsequently left his village and his fiancée Sita to become a mole within the police, his promotion for having captured Bhim finally giving him access to the gun shipments. At Bhim's public flogging, Ram attempts to persuade him to recant his actions. Bhim chooses flogging instead. Bhim sings in defiance of his injuries, inciting the assembled crowd into rebellion and further enlightening Ram. He persuades Buxton to execute Bhim in secrecy in front of Malli while preparing an ambush to rescue both of them, but Buxton deduces the plan, and Ram is injured while rescuing Malli. Bhim, thinking Malli is in danger, bludgeons Ram and escapes with the girl. Ram is arrested for treason and imprisoned in solitary confinement. Months later, Bhim, who is hiding with his group and Malli in Hathras, is cornered by the colonial authorities. He narrowly avoids being exposed when Sita repels them by claiming there is a smallpox epidemic. Unaware of Bhim's identity, she reveals Ram's anti-colonial objectives and his impending execution. Realizing his folly, Bhim goes to save him. With Jenny's sympathetic assistance, Bhim infiltrates the barracks where Ram is detained and frees him. The pair retreat to a nearby forest, where they defeat soldiers with a longbow taken from a Rama shrine and a spear. Taking the fight to Buxton, they hurl a flaming motorcycle into the barracks magazines, setting it afire. Bhim steals a cache of guns for Ram before the barracks explode, killing many soldiers and Catherine. Cornering a wounded Buxton, Ram has Bhim execute him with a British rifle, fulfilling their respective objectives. Ram is reunited with Sita, and Bhim and Malli are reunited with their tribe. To mark the mission's successful completion, Ram asks Bhim to make a wish he can grant. Bhim asks Ram to provide education for him and his community.